How to say boil or fry egg? Boiled egg. Boiled egg. When we boil an egg and give more heat to them, so they make their different forms in cooking, like soft boiled egg, which is boiled for a short time. We say soft boiled egg. When we put an egg for a longer time and give more heat, so this boiled egg is called hard boiled egg. An egg, we put it for longer time, it becomes hard, and this egg is called over boiled egg. Over boiled egg. An egg we cook in fry pan and for a short time. This form of egg is called over easy egg. Over easy egg. When we cook an egg from one side and the yolk inside it is visible, so it is called sunny side up. This side type of cooking is for a certain time and on one side. Letting an egg for more time on the fry pan, we say such type of cooked egg or hard egg or hard egg. An egg we let it in the fry pan for a longer time to fry it. It is called scrambled egg. Scrambled egg. An egg we add some vegetables to it while frying it on the fry pan. We call it omelette. Omelette.